Hey everyone, Michael here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a brand new MACD indicator that's going to make your trading lives a lot easier. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button. After that, go over here to the indicators, metrics, and strategies section over on TradingView and type in MACD, nothing else. From here, underneath the community scripts, you're going to see MACD Custom Indicator Multiple Time Frames by Chris Moody. Once here, click on this once and voila, it's up on your chart. We do need to do one thing here very fast because normally when we're looking at a MACD, it's red and green, and that's the way my mind processes this. This automatically is at blue and darker blue. I don't really like that. So what I'm going to do very fast is just go over here to settings, and I'm going to go to the histogram colors, and I'm going to change this light blue into a light green, okay? And I'm going to turn the opacity up to 100%. For the blue here, I'm going to make that into a darker green, and again, make that up to 100% opacity. From here, if I scroll up, you guys can see lighter green, darker green. That's what you guys want to see, and that's how you guys would normally use your typical MACD. Now, the essence of this tool is basically to trade off of the green and red dots, the crossovers, if you will. Now, you can see right here, we had a crossover on Friday the 6th for Tesla, and boy, oh boy, did this end up being a great play for Tesla here. If you guys would have bought even at the end of the day, when you got the worst price, and you're still holding now, you would be up around 67% at this point, and that is an amazing play. We haven't even had the crossover on the other side yet, okay? Very, very good move off of Tesla. Now, if you're looking for a short opportunity here, because this won't tell you when to sell, it will tell you when to buy and when to short. That's it, when you're opening positions. Closing position requires other types of technical analysis. Now, if you are looking to short, you can see we got a short signal right here, and man, look at this one right here. There we go. Let's say you shorted at the end of the day. You could have made up a 40%, even if you guys sold out right here, 20%, 18%. That's how simple this is. The only thing is you don't necessarily get too many crosses all the time. That's the thing you have to be concerned about. You're not going to be making unlimited amounts of money every single day. However, if you guys want to put this on autopilot, here's what you guys can do. Go over here to the alerts button. It'll say create alert or Alt+A if you guys don't want to actually click on anything. From here, you're going to see condition. It'll say Tesla, regular trading hours, or whatever you guys have your chart open to at the time. From here, I want you guys to go over to CM, ULT, MACD, MFT, this one right here, basically. I won't read the whole thing for you. Click on it once, and then boom. Whenever there's an alert, whenever there's a crossover, you will get a pop-up now on your screen saying, hey, check this out on Tesla's chart. We have a MACD crossover. This is the alert you guys want to be using, and boom, you could wait for an opportunity to open a trade, or at least for as far as Tesla's concerned, this has been working very profitably. You can just rely on the signal and buy. What I prefer to do is try to pair this up with other indicators here just to make sure everything is going in the right way. So typically what you guys will see me doing is the squeeze indicator by Lazy Bear. This is another good one. If you guys want to learn how to use this one, I'll have a link up on top of the screen right now. Now, as far as this one's concerned, you're waiting for that MACD crossover as well, but it's a different type of crossover, and you're also looking at these little crossover marks right here between the green and the red ones. Now, you can see the buy signal off of this one was actually right here, and this was also a short-term popping move because of earnings. Great move right there. This one, of course, gave you more, but if you're looking for an opportunity to double down on a position, this will give you the opportunity and the confidence to continue holding on even as things get a little bit choppy. That confidence is going to be key for you guys to make as much profit as possible. And at the end of the day, aren't you guys just looking for profit? And you can even see right here, according to this one, this was a buying opportunity, which it was. And if you're looking at the check marks, the squeeze release is still happening. So there is still some momentum on the upside here, which is something you guys should be very, very excited about. Now, that's it for this video. If you guys want more content, please make sure to subscribe. I hope you guys have a fantastic day.